Have you guys ever wanted the elf hat or the elf shirt or the black jacket or that one and this one and everything else, but you don't either want to join the Discord or subscribe and join the Discord? Well, this is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get drippy clothes, research points, and a code for company coins. And at the very end, there's a secret drippy halo thing. But like and subscribe if you subscribe if you want to see it. Wait, okay. First code. Actually, I have them all written down. Let me just. Okay, so you're gonna want to press prog, enter promo code, and the first is Rizzy Drip. Yes, I'm saying it. Rizzy, no space, drip, 200k. I already redeemed. This will give you the black jacket. This jacket right here. Okay. Second code is, if you want the elf, that stuff is Happy Holidays. Give a sec. Oh, my bad. Holidays already redeemed. That will get you the elf. And for this one, the AC Versary jacket, it is Play with Devs. Play with Devs. You already redeemed. That will get you that. Time for research points. Yay! Okay, so first one is so I want hook shot. This will give you 1 research point. Second one is made 4, like the number 4. Me. Already, that will also give you 1. And then deliver value. So deliver val. Deliver value. That will also give you 1 research point. Oh, my hand got stuck. Then the last code, which is for company coins, it'll give you 150, I think. It's just space. Give me my money. What? Oh, okay. It's just me my money. This will give you 150. And for the secret halo, which I currently don't have, but I know how to get it. All I have to do is go into the Discord and scroll. You have to leave a review. So a review and stars. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed these codes. When new codes come out, these are 2025 codes. When new codes come out, I will tell you all. So, better like this video. Goodbye!